Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce a JFEGWO, JF Agwo, 6000 ampere. It's a fast charging jump starter, F55. It's a car battery jump starter in pocket size. Wow, the jumper booster. Wow, yeah, 6000 ampere. Car battery jump starter in a pocket size. That means powerful start. This pocket size jump starter can easily jump start a 12-volt dead car battery up to 8.5 liter gas and a 6.5 liter diesel engine. Up to 55 jump starts per charge are possible. And it's really best compact. As small and portable as a power bank, making it easy to carry with us. This allowing us to start our car anytime and anywhere, while also charging our mobile devices. An 18-watt fast charging equipped with an USB-C and an USB-A port. That means we can make a fast charging on 2 devices on the go. iPads, iPhones, smartphones, cameras and more are possible to recharge with that jump starter. Because this power pack is a power bank too. And with a cutting-edge technology, equipped with a smart LED display, the jump cable provides real-time feedback in text according to usage. That's ensuring all the safety protection are in place. We no longer need to worry about the damage of a car. Even beginners can start any 12-watt vehicle in just a few seconds. And of course, light the way. The powerful 400 lumens LED light with steady strobe and SOS modes are good for dark areas. And we have smart clamps. It comes with a pair of high-end smart clamps, which provides a time protection technology to back our journey up. Long-lasting device. That means it will be 48 months of standby time and 1000 rechargeable cycles. That means we have a worry-free time if we get this box into our car trunk. Here it comes, the JF Agwo 2025 new design pocket-sized jump starter. It starts our cars in seconds. Motorcycle, cars, SUVs, little trucks, farm machines, the performance driver fit for the 12-volt gas and diesel vehicles with an engine size up to 8.5 liter. And we have a portable power bank. They have 2 18-watt fast charging ports with it, yeah. And safety protections. Overload protection, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, AA software protection, overcurrent protection, reverse polarity protection, reverse charge protection, high temperature protection, low temperature protection. All this is protected on this nice device. Everyone should have one if you have a car. And this here is a pocket size of that. JF Agwo F55. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope see you again on my channel. Sun.